Today, we're basically going to be talking about what we call the simple present tense. Okay, let me go ahead and put it here. The simple present tense. Now, the question that comes to mind and I would ask you is, when do we use the simple present tense? Basically, yes, we use it eh, for two reasons. Okay, when you want to talk about habits or things uh, you do or do not do every day or with a certain frequency of time. Okay, this is very important for you to remember. Okay, so what would be the way in which we use this tense? For example, if you have the verb, let's see the verb get up, which in Spanish is levantarse. Okay, so you would say, okay, I get up early uh, during the week. Okay, if you're talking about he or she, for example, Giovanni gets up early during the week. Okay, now let's say that this is for this particular uh, situation. Now let's say that you want to talk about, let's say, a verb, a given verb. For example, let's continue with the same one that we are talking about, which is get up. Okay, so how do we use that? You would go, I get up, you get up, he, she, or it gets up, we get up, they get up. Okay, that's how we would use it. Okay, and we would use some expressions that are used. For example, expressions that we can use with the simple present tense. Every day, every every night, every morning, every weekend, every Saturday. Okay, expressions with every. These are expressions with every. Okay. The other thing would be, like in this case, um, using adverbial phrases. Frequencies of adver frequency adverbs. Adverbs. For example, always, um, usually, often, um, seldom, hardly, ever, sometimes, never. Okay. So, for example, you could say something like, I never uh, go to bed after midnight. For example, you know, they usually call me on Sunday. That would be another example. Okay. So, in a nutshell, The simple present tense is used to talk about habits or things you do or do not do every day, or with a certain frequency of time. Also, and also in this case, you have the conjugation, and also you have some examples that you can use. This is one of the uses. There is another use that I will explain in another video. All right. Thank you.